isa lang yung ano natin, tour guide. Si William nakaiwan ng jacket, bumalik. Kumuha ng jacket. Ay, dito, isin tayo, nakasarado. Sarado mo na. Sarado mo na.
Okay, everyone, when the food is fully served here, I will take some picture for you. Okay.
When the food is ganun talaga. Mag-explore ka ng ibang pagkain. Yung food, eh, pag nalagay mo lahat.
Okay, everyone, how about the first restaurant here? The food is good?
Natin. Dalawa, tatlo yata.
Okay. Any comment about the food here?
It's okay.
Because you've already tried the food in Hanoi, right? So how about here? But just only the first one.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like home meal in our country. In our country, it's like breakfast time.
Breakfast time?
In our country, it's breakfast time.
This means that not so much food, right?
It's like,
Yeah.
and it's all egg.
All about that. But you know, this is the standard set menu in the package tour. Yeah, no, no, but it's also the truth. It's also the truth because you know that the chicken they had Taiwan, Thai 2, Thai 3 like this, and you know with our meal will be some type pretty small one. Yeah, like this because they have the pagoda. Okay. And I will explain something, but you follow me, no separated.
Okay.
Until I finish plan and taking some picture, everyone can have free time later. Okay. Everyone understand? Okay. Yeah. Let's go.
Ay, Ate Eva, yung parang Vietnam ng tatay, yung Vietnam na ate. Diba may ganyan tayo? So kaya napapunta yung gayon natin.
Ano ko?
At yung Vietnam ng tatay, di ba tawag natin Vietnam yung plastic yun?
Oo. Oo, sa tatay. Baka nawarisip ulit.
Hindi, kaya nga may sereno din kailangan.
Kaya nga, sandali. Tayo na.
Ala. Tama, may sereno na.
Ate masarap yung gibag. Barak.
Di pa ako nakakarating dun. Sa Gulugod Baboy na yun.
Ala. Nasa may bumatak dati. Ha?
Uy, pakapit mo. Baka ako'y gumulong.
Ayari ko na.
Marble?
Paano ka?
Bakit? Bakit ba tayo?
Aba. Ang turista.
Turista-turistahan tayo ngayon.
Mami, alam mo naman mas tandaan ako.
Ang iyong tuhod, William.
Kaya nga ako'y kapit din sa iyong asawa. Kaya may kapit sa akin.
Golden, ano to? Golden Buddha? Ay, pagoda.
Hapon na, kaya pagoda na. Ay, parang yung sa Monte Maria.
Oo, pa sa Monte Maria nga, ano.
Puro bonsai ah. Maganda din eh. Ang ganda ng bonsai mga. Picture tayo naman sa bonsai.
Mamaya may free time tayo.
Because in here, the market is many kind of market, and you have to know what is good and not good inside the market. Okay, everyone. Okay, come here with me, please. I will explain for you a little bit, and then you can have free time later. Okay? So, everyone, now we are at the center of the pagoda. We call this one with the bonsai garden.
Bonsai
Yeah, you know bonsai, right?
Yeah.
Many
Japanese.
bonsai here, and
Japanese.
some of them is very expensive too. Right? Far away that the building here, we are the main temple. The main temple here. Inside the main temple, they have many kind of Buddha statue. They have the altars, many things. If you want to go inside, you have to take off your footwear, your shoe, your slipper. Okay? So that is the main temple. We go this way, we will come to the big Lady Buddha statue, which is 67-meter high. And inside the statue, they have the room too. 17 room, 17th floor. Yeah, the monks used to live in the room long time before, but now no more. Now they have their own dormitory there, so no more living here. Okay, so now everyone, please stay here in front of the temple like this. I will take a group picture for you. Everyone.
Yan yung natanong natin, doon tayo galing eh. Tinuro ko yung layla-layla ko yung mga lakang berhin.
Okay.
Okay, now our team take a photo.
This is the Lady Buddha hand sign.
Sarap kuha na ng pag ganun. Ano ang tawag? Yan, ganyan. Ano ang tawag sa
Panoramic ba yun, kuya? Yung ring finger.
ring at saka ito. Kauna.
Yeah, like this.
Parang ang hirap. Yan eh.
Ring finger.
I'm not the Buddhist. Yeah, so with like this.
Ganyan, no?
Okay, everyone, listen to me, please. Everyone.
Yes, I'm listening.
Yeah, so now we are in front of the Lady Buddha statue. This is the highest Lady Buddha statue in the Asia. 67-meter high. The highest Lady Buddha statue in the Asia. And you see, they have the Lady Buddha. They have the hand sign, right? Like this, it means blessing. Yeah, in the Buddhism, the Lady.
Huwag ka kaya
doon, kaya.
Hindi.
Kalaki talaga.
1, 2.
Sa Monte Maria, Malo.
Taklo ba ng Ate Eva?
Kita mo balance yung balance yan.
Sa Malo, sa Monte Maria,
Ilan daw yan? 63 daw yan.
ang layo nga lang ng lakarin doon.
Okay, ano yan eh.
Paakyat sa
Parang
Monte
yung
Maria.
building na ginawa
Ay, kayo
daan sa...
nakakonect sa hotel na wifi, hindi pa?
Hindi pa.
Mamaya.
Sa loob, nakakonect. Walang kuhan. Pero pag nasa labas, wala.
Ay, oo naman.
Siyempre,
Hindi, yung sa labas. Yung sa...
Sa lobby? Wala.
sa room lang.
Sabi ko, Ariel na pinis. Wala nang kuhan, wala nang magulit-gulit. Ate naman, agad yung kanila malinis.
Pala na yan yung buka na.
Ano naman mga tao eh. Ay, may nagpipicture pala sila. Hindi naman tayo.
Hoy!
Hindi na nagpipicture. Hindi na renta. Sabi ko eh, para rin Japanese yan yung bonsai. Sabi naman niya ni Andrew, yes, bonsai.
Ala, nasolo ka na ulit daw.
Puro yun, no?
Pinalis ko yung dalawang negro daw. Sabi ko, Ariel na pinis. Tuloy alisan niya.
Look.
Ganyan talaga sa ganito marami.
6:40. Alas 6. 40 minutes pa tayo. Ang dilaw po. Sino?
Yung dito pala doon. Punta ka doon.
Wala dati, wag na, tama na.
Sintro? Doon, sa hagdan doon.
Tama na.